68. So the blue spring is set in there good. We got it harnessed off our little jumper right there. That is the original plug, so that everything down on the fuel pump connection is already hooked up. It's done. We only disconnect this connection to run this. And we'll take a look at all our connections because our fuel is done now. It's got fuel running through it. Look at the banjos. Just kind of look around at everything. That's good. All right, fuel is good. Okay, we've got enough stuff on right now. That's about it. I'm waiting on a dipstick tube. So turbo inlet pipe, exhaust, most everything else. I don't want to put the downpipe on yet either. Guess we could. This is the white dually, abandoned truck. We've had it for 10 years. Finally decided to bring it in. We're testing head gaskets on it. We'll see how good they are. Well, for now, that's pretty much, this is it. This is done. This is done for now until we have a dipstick tube. Let's, fix that problem right now. Celebration. So we're gonna park this truck for now. We've got an issue with injectors on this truck. We're gonna drive it and try to get something to freaking actually brake on it. Chatter is very weak. Very weak. Here we go. Oh, we probably need to check fuel pressure. Not starting. Oh my God, what a drag. And that's why I need to run this thing. You can't drive them enough. So let's jump this thing real quick. Let me do one more. Maybe it'll bang off. Not even close. Just trying to keep them all running. There they are. Always nice to hook it up to the passenger side batteries. That's from the alternator and the starter. Let's go. Really shouldn't need too much. Let's just not even stall and just see if it'll pop off. Could be crappy injectors, could be thickum, could be fuel pressure. We're gonna drive it. And history has shown that it's gonna break. The problem area will become absolutely evident when it needs to, so that, you know, we can have time to fix it when it makes itself absolutely evident. All right, here we go. What the hell is that? Oh, coming soon, Subaru service near you. Clog up all the time. At least we could probably get it all out. I read it on the internet, so it must be true. Fender wells for this white dually. Look. To hell with $300. We can buy them for 25 bucks. All right, it looks like that. And I'm holding it in so we can manipulate where this is by how we mount it on the truck. So she can squeeze it in there. I like it. I like it. It's a little rugged. It's cheap. 50 bucks. Figure out how to mount it with some bars. Let's get these on the truck. All right, something is wrong. Oh, it's a brake locked up. It's smoking. Damn, see, there's another downside to having but the brakes are locking up. See it smoking? It's hopping like a son of a gun. Broke. Bummer. Locked up brakes. So I guess I gotta get it to free up and then not hit the brakes no more. That's what we need to do. Let's get the heck out of here. I can feel it dragging the truck. You know, it's like roll, stop, roll, slow, roll, slow. It's great.
Yes.
Yeah, so it's locked up. Brakes are, that front left is locked. Yes, man. Oh, it's hard to drive right now. It's actually working. Not wanting to roll very good. Damn it. There's a lot of stuff we could do. We're sitting in the parts store lot right now. Just take the banjo fitting off and put a bolt with 2 crush washers on it and 2 washers and just tighten the banjo fitting up. Or just change the caliper right now. Good. This truck, we just got in this truck. It doesn't even have a jack in it or a lug wrench, so we don't have anything. We're at the mercy of society right here. There's Super Duty over there, you see it? Oh, he's driving. Yeah. Get to work. Just in case you're wondering, an M10 by 1 1/4 M10 will not fit through brake line. So I'm just standing here holding it while Julie ran in. I told her just to be easy, an M8. It'll be a little small, but it'll probably hold it. Put some new crush washers on the side of the brake line here. I mean, we're going to get a oil dipstick tube, and then we're gonna go ahead and drive this all the way up north. It's a bunch of highway driving. We don't freaking need brakes for that crap. So I'm stuck here. My hands are covered with brake fluid, and we ain't got no towels, and we don't have a jack, and we just kind of jumped in this truck and went. Gosh in the wind. It's okay though. We venture all the freaking time around the country. Have been in some crazy jams, so it's nothing for me to be standing out here and holding a brake line because I don't want to lose all the fluid. Because you know. So Julie's gonna get some M8s, and we'll bolt this up and see if I can release the caliper right here, because the caliper is locked up. It's seized. So I'm just going to eliminate that, and I really don't want to do a lot of repairs on the road, but if I have to, I'll do a caliper right here. We bought so many jacks. We got so many jacks in our freaking world. I'm not buying another one. No. So let's get this done. We'll see if it works. Right there, bought a couple of $4 adjustable wrenches. Tighten it down. Julie's going to hit the brake and see if it... Hang on, let me tighten it one more time. All right, here we go. She's going to stomp on the brake without... Nope, it's leaking. Crap.
Some more tightening.
Damn. Okay, so it leaks a little bit. We're going for it. It's rolling good now. It's free. Maybe we'll get better mileage now.
Okay.
In case anybody was wondering, that is the thread pitch that goes inside of the caliper. So you can just get one of those bolts, and it didn't seal all the way. It didn't do it, but if you're at the hardware store and you grab one single bolt at the hardware store and throw it in your glove box, at least if you do have a caliper lockup, then you can take the bolt out and physically keep driving, not have to stop and tow it right where you're at. No freaking way. I don't know, there's no oil showing on the dipstick. Look.
There's oil.
We're here looking at a Cadillac or Lincoln or whatever the heck it is. Focus! Oh, we've already checked it 3 times. That's kind of a bad deal. It should have oil in it. So this is Dawn and Rose's new car. It's a 2017 Lincoln Continental. And it didn't have no oil in it, but we just bought it any freaking way. So it was a $200 quart of oil though. You're gonna go sell a vehicle, double check that it has oil before you pull up to sell it. And I won't hit you for 200 bucks. This is a real fancy freaking car. It rides really good, smooth. Very, very nice freaking car. There's Julie in the Super Duty. Oh my goodness, I think I like it. Maybe up a little bit. Paid 60 bucks for both of them. Yeah, the other ones are a lot more than that. I like the flanges too. I can actually manipulate this and make it the size and make that flange be somewhat level with the ground. I just got to figure out how to mount it. A window well cover. That is what we should be using for poly fenders, not these expensive, because those are actually strong, very strong. Look, the gray almost matches up top in the truck. You can act like we meant it that way. Well, it didn't get finished all by itself. We're back now. It's tomorrow. Yesterday is got a dipstick tube. Just did 260 miles of driving. More than that. Well, I think I'm gonna like those. It's gonna kind of make it look a little more finished. I don't know what we're gonna do. I have no idea. Give me your ideas. Make videos, put them on your own channel and explain it, and then I'll watch your video. A lot of people have already done this stuff, haven't you? I'm kind of excited about that. Yeah, I like that a lot.